In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hide and seek game in Scratch. Keep watching till the end to learn how to make an epic hide and seek game. Welcome to Dabmc. If you're new to this channel, I post regular videos of Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hide and seek game, and let's get straight into things. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a backdrop. Now, I already created a backdrop earlier, and it's this forest, and yeah. So let's get coding. Now, you can make whatever backdrop you want to make. I decided to make this one off screen, so yeah. Let's get straight to coding. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to change his size to 75. Not 179, definitely not that. 75. And once you do, press 75. Listen to me. Yes, there we go. And then you want to put him at the top right corner of the screen, as far as it can go. Which is here, obviously. Let's make him here. Then you want to say when green flag clicked, you want to then you want to go to operators and you want to say pick random, 2 of them. And you want to say pick random. You want to type in your coordinates, which is mine is -204. And then you go, and the y for me is 140. So now we have to put them at the bottom of the screen. So here, his coordinates are -134. That's his x by mistake. Oh, -134. And then the y was 140, I believe. And then the y is going to be 39. Wait, was it? Yes, it was 140 to 39. Nope, that was wrong. That was an error. X is 215, sorry. 215. This is -134. So now, when you click, it goes anywhere on the screen. Absolutely anywhere. And let's just save the project. So once you've done that, you want to say this, okay? You want to say hide because you don't want it to show before you go. So you want to say hide, and now it'll completely disappear. Then you want to say show. So now, oh wait, I bring out the hide again. So show. So now it's going to show every time randomly on the screen. Which basically, the reason why I put it like this, and I'm going to say wait 0.3 seconds, and the reason is it's like it's having some time to hide, and that's what it is. So basically, once you've done that, you want to go all the way to events, and then you want to get the broadcast button, and you want to say new message, and you want to say found. So now we have found, and then after that we want to broadcast found. No, wait. First, before we do that, we want to go here and we want to say wait until, go to sensing, touching mouse pointer, and mouse is down. So then we want to go all to the operators. mouse down, touching mouse pointer, and so now when we click on it, nothing happens. It broadcasts the found button. So now what we want to do is basically just want to duplicate this. So we want to duplicate this, want to put this here. And then after that, we don't want to have broadcast, and we don't have a green flag. We want to go to the events, and we want to get the when I receive blocked. And now we want to see when I receive found. We want to say wait until mouse pointer is clicked. Then after that, we want to after we've done that, we want to go all the way to variables and we want to create a new variable, and the variable is going to be called score. And so now we want to say change score, and we want to I know the year, I know it's 2020, don't ask me. There we go. So now that's gone. And then we just I want to make this the large readout. So then after we've done that, change score by 1. So that means so we want to, oh wait, first before we do that, we need to have a forever loop. So this should work if I'm correct. Why? Now it works, yes. So after you've done that, you want to get a when green flag click block, and this basically means that when you click the green flag again, it sets it to 0, so it restarts your score. So after that, you want to make your things more interesting, you want to go to the paint, and then you want to get text, and then let's just type in score. So after you've done that, where is it? Score. Oh wait, it's not centered, that's why. So we put this in the center, and then after that, you put it here. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys.